Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your privacy and block font permissions on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can manage your app permissions with confidence and keep your data secure. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on your main feed or profile page. At the top of the page, you'll see 3 dots. These are usually in the upper right corner. Click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you directly to the settings page for Instagram, where you can control different aspects of the app's behavior and permissions. Inside the App Info section, look for an option labeled Settings or something similar. Click into Settings to access more detailed controls. Scroll down until you find more settings and permissions. This section allows you to fine-tune what the Instagram app can access on your device. Now look for the font's permission. You'll see a toggle or a drop-down menu next to it. Click on it, and then choose Block. This will prevent Instagram from accessing custom fonts or installing new fonts on your PC, adding an extra layer of privacy and control. Blocking font permissions can help protect your device from unnecessary data access and keep your experience streamlined. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and select Allow instead. That's it. You've successfully blocked font permissions for the Instagram app on your PC. Staying on top of your app permissions is a smart way to keep your digital life secure and customized to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little extra privacy on their Instagram app. Stay safe and see you next time.